Hello, my name is JuJu, and today we're making a Dutch Baby Pancake. You want to have all your ingredients collected, and you need a cast iron skillet 8 to 10 inches. Pour your 2 eggs in the blender, add your flour, then add some milk, then add some sugar. Then add some vanilla extract and blend it for 10 seconds 2 times. Let that sit for 20 minutes. Have your cast iron skillet in the oven heat up. Then melt some butter on it. Pour the mix in there. It will rise while cooking. Cut up your fruits, whatever fruits floats your boat. Add some powdered sugar and add some syrup. And that's it. Bye.